podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you get Clay Premium on your Clay app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just click here on get plus here. If you don't find it, you go down, click here on get click plus here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you choose for yearly here plan or monthly plan here. When you just choose it, you click on start. So if you choose here monthly, you click on it and you click here on start subscriptions here. So then it's going to take to show for you a list like this. Click here on add credit or debit card and add your card information. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.